What's up everyone, it's CS Adventures here, back with another video, and today we're going to be unboxing and weighing the SLX 4-piston brake set. So let's open these up. So this one is the rear brake, a little bit longer cables. And then this one's the front brake. So both come with the cables and calipers along with the levers. But a really cool feature that this comes with is a brake insert. So when you're traveling, you have the wheel off, you put these in so the brakes don't clamp down. Really nice to have. Something extra that comes with these. So let's get into weighing these. So we're going to start off by weighing the lever. I'm going to keep the plastic on so just in case. We'll have a rough estimate here. It's at 120 grams, and we're going to throw this caliper on there. These cables give me a rough time, but let's see if it'll stay. Yeah. So it's at 324 grams for the rear brake. The front brake will be a little bit lighter just because the cable is shorter. So again, with the lever, 119 grams, very similar there. And then with the caliper, 309 grams. So a couple gram difference with these. Very solid brake set. I wanted to go 4-piston because I'm putting it on a trail / enduro bike, so I wanted some good stopping power, and I'm pairing these with the XT rotors, so it should be a good combo. But that's going to conclude today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.